What is up, guys? It's the 636, it's back. Oh my god, dude. You know, I want to say that I didn't miss it, but I do forget how much fun this thing is. Yo, what is that thing? Oh my god! Tear it up! He's gonna run the stop sign. No! You gotta stop for those! These damn kids. Man, after almost 30 days in the shop and even more out of service, it's finally back. This thing was in the shop for a minute, dude. Just waiting on a special tool to get there to do some kind of inspection or some nonsense. I don't know. Now look at us. We're back in business. And we got a new backpack and we put some cool stuff on there. Right now I've got Please Don't Kill Me, I Have a Family on there, and it's a picture of me and my girlfriend. It says motor vehicles definitely are allowed on here, is what that says. Oh my god, I missed this bike, dude. Pop, 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 pop. You hear that? You know, really all I can hear is the strings from my hoodie smacking my helmet. Let's go in here and fix that real quick. That's driving me nuts, brother. Alright, let's get away from this playground before they put me on a list. You know, there's always that classic joke where it's like the person says, so which one is yours? And then you say, I haven't decided yet.
I got poopy.
Did you just say that you went poopy?
Yeah.
The police always looking at me sideways, waiting for me to make a mistake. Oh, bro's got a bike in the driveway. No idea what it is, don't care. If it's not a Z125, I don't care. Honestly though, 125 gang is where it's at. Man, they do got some nice stuff out here. I need to work a little bit harder. Maybe I'll be able to afford one of these one day. Yeah! Alright, this might be a dead end. I might have to pass them twice. That kid bolts out of the road every time. That's hilarious. Man, these are all dead ends. I kind of probably just look like a weirdo coming back and forth up and down these streets. Wonder what the HOA fees are here. Probably more than my rent. Yo, it's Santa Claus on a motorcycle. That's so cool. Ah, watch out! Oh my god. They almost just killed me. Don't kill me, I have a family. She could not be crossing the street any slower. That girl has no fear about being in the middle of an intersection. What the fuck kind of gay shit is that? Huh? I know, these are already tore up.
Cover up your ankle, man.
Yeah.
I drive a Yamaha R3 and I always wear my boots.
I would like some, yeah, that'd be sick.
Ankle ready too, especially when you come off that sprocket and you get a curve. You get that curve. You'll take out that foot.
Yeah, man. Gear police over here. Dang, bruh. So I got the bike back yesterday. Yeah, my girlfriend went and picked it up for me because I was too scared to ride it, so I just told her to ride it for me. Just kidding. I was busy, but she was gracious enough to pick it up for me so that I could ride it for a little bit before I go on my trip. I'm going to be gone for a couple weeks, so the videos might not be as consistent as they normally are, but we're still here right now, right? Hey man, big announcement, really. I've been kind of putting some things together, and I think that we're going to be doing a giveaway like super soon. Hopefully the next video after this one I should be announcing a giveaway. That's my hope. That's what I just did this. I should cross my fingers. That's my hope, is that I can do that. I'm thinking about giving away either some kind of a helmet or maybe some gloves. I'm just kind of trying to figure that out now, especially when it comes to like sizing and things like that. I gotta make sure that it's something that's gonna be like available so that when I go to do the giveaway, like the size is not out of stock or whatever, you know what I mean? And I don't just want to, like, I don't know, buy a large, because then, you know, what if you wear a medium or something? Oh, bro needs a bump start. What's up? I saw he needed a bump start, huh? I saw him bump starting the bike. I came over to see if it's leaking coolant. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, right now you are? Man, is it far? Is it far? Oh man. Well, I wish you guys luck.
Yeah, this thing's nice.
Thanks, dude. I just got it back yesterday.
Oh yeah.
It's one. Huh?
Is it 24?
25, I think. Yeah. It's one of the ones that had the recall on it.
Yeah, I figured.
Well, you guys be safe, man. You always got to check in on the community, you know? Make sure everyone's doing good. I found some off-road spots over here I want to go check out real quick. I don't think I'll take the 636 down there, but I might go grab the 125 and come back. That's largely depending on how much daylight I have left. I actually have not even the slightest bit of an idea what time it is, but based off the sun, I think I got maybe about an hour and a half of daylight left, so I might be able to make it all the way back home and get the 125 and come back. But the 125 is slow, man. I could probably get this thing home in like 2 minutes the way that I could ride it, but that's an exaggeration. Nobody called the police on me, please. All right, that off-road spot that I saw is right over here. Oh, there's some good spots over there too. Looks like I could get over there. All right, let's check this out. Check out this tunnel over here. Probably just leave the bike right here, run over there real quick. Really, I just want to see how deep that water is. Oh, that looks mucky, dude. That looks deep and gross. Oh man, I feel like I catch a new kind of chlamydia going on there. I don't know that I'll be riding down here on the 125, to be honest with you. I don't need this new age chlamydia that they got out now. She looks nasty. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath from that one hill. You wheeling that thing? That's a great idea. I do not want to instigate a no helmet wheelie, I'll tell you that. He said, yeah, but I prefer not to without my helmet. Smart kid. I shouldn't even be doing it with a helmet. Fucking crash addict over here. Alright, there's one more spot like super nearby that I want to check out. Bro, everybody's out today. Yo! What is that? You wheelie that thing? No, I think that's a little girl. I don't think I'm gonna ask her to do it. Her dad's probably sitting in that parking lot like, hey, why is that guy talking to my daughter? She looks like she was about 11. It's hard to tell nowadays, man. There's a lot of small people, if you know what I mean. They like to go by little people now, I think. I don't think they like the M word anymore, but hard to say though, man, because sometimes I see some little shorties that I think are like 11-year-old boys on these bikes, and then they take their helmet off and they got a full mustache and beard and look like they're about 35, so it's hard to tell, man. Some people are just, you know, built small, I guess. That's the building right there. I can't see anything with this glare, man. I don't see a private property sign. Maybe we'll just peek. We can make it to the fence in 2 seconds. Can you? Oh, it's 2 dogs. That's hilarious, bro. I gotta turn around real slow. It is like actual amateur hour over here. I've gotten so used to riding that stupid little 125, and you can just throw that thing around. Now we just gotta find a way to turn this thing around for a quick escape. That's pretty thick, man. I don't think I want to go back there by myself. Back on that new age chlamydia topic. Oh my god, speaking of chlamydia, imagine the sex that goes on in that thing. Oh, big bump. I forgot just how torquey this thing is in first. That is terrifying. Oh my god, and it's not smooth at all. Second gear is pretty smooth on this thing when it comes to trying to clutch it up, but first gear, brother, is just all over the place with this stock gearing. Pair that with the fact that I can't wheelie to save my life, and you got yourself a loop expert. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my god, they almost got me. I do wonder what this leads to back here. Oh, this is bumpy. This might actually be one of the worst ideas I've ever had in my life. You've heard of a 450, but have you heard of a 636? Oh my god. My visor's fogging up and I don't want to take my hand off the handlebar when we're on this dirt like this. It's so loose. That's what she said. Looks like there's some dirt bike tracks back here. Man, that'd be like a major shame if there was just a big hole or something like that and I didn't see it and I just, you know, straight over the handlebars face planted. And then the exhaust hits the grass and it catches on fire and I'm like, and I like broke my leg or something, and then it burns these people's house down, and then next thing you know I got like a lawsuit on my hands. And then I have to change my name to Prison Addicts. Anyways, that's a pretty extensive fear to have, I guess. I should probably be more rational. All right. Got the Z28. Boy, does it feel unbelievably good to have this bike back. And the thing is like, I actually don't even particularly love this bike. I just like being able to go faster than 52 miles per hour after like a minute and a half of full throttle. I love the 125, but sometimes it feels good to at least be able to drive like a normal vehicle on the roadway. I do miss that though, I'll tell you what. Alright, let's take this turn as fast as we can. Hey man, I was going pretty slow, but we still got some angle on it. Someone was doing a little burnout right there, huh? Man, I couldn't even begin to describe actually how good it feels to have this thing back. I don't know, man. Just being able to like go places and not have to... I don't know how to describe the feeling. It's when you're on the 125, it just, everything just feels so far away. Whereas on this bike, it's like, if somebody says, hey, you want to go somewhere that's normally a 40-minute drive away, I'm like, okay. That doesn't sound too bad, as long as like traffic isn't crazy. I mean, you know, obviously we go the speed limit the whole way there, but somehow we get there in 20 minutes instead of 40. Yo, that's that same kid. I can't tell if that's a bicycle with mirrors or what that is. I think that's what that is. I think that's a bicycle with some mirrors on it. Bro is cooking through here. Is there not a speed limit for the sidewalks? Oh, we're racing now. You know, the funny part is like the way that I'm kind of moving here, I don't even know where the exit is to this neighborhood. I'm just kind of, I feel like I'm in the back rooms right now. I don't know how to get out of this place. Man, the one thing that's really different about this bike compared to the 125 is I already am at almost half a tank. I don't think that hill right there is going to be very jump friendly. I won't lie to you. These HOAs usually aren't as friendly about those kind of things. Alright, so we're just continuing to make left turns. There's a gated community within a non-gated community that is like the back rooms. Man, there's ducks back here, and it is duck season here in Texas, so I think I might have to wait until like maybe the middle of the day when everybody's at work and I'll come out here and shoot some of these ducks. They're probably out here eating all the fish, and so obviously we want to help the fishing population. Got to get rid of some of those ducks. Man, I'm kind of stuck between what kind of riding gear I want to give away. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see. I mean, I'm not going to do anything crazy, but no like carbon fiber helmet or nothing, but you know, what kind of safety gear would you guys like to see, or maybe that you think that people need more often but don't have, like, you know, a helmet or gloves or maybe boots, you know what I mean? Yo, those are the kids that were freaking jumping the ditch the other day. Yo, there's 4 of them, bro. Oh, he's wheeling it. Oh man, I gotta get over there and see that. Man, sometimes I see those like those body cam videos of the police officers being douches, and they'll like arrest the kids for having fun, and they're like doing wheelies on the sidewalk and shit. Nobody's around, and then the cops will just tackle them off their bikes. It doesn't make any sense, dude. Oh, he's holding it. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that's crazy. Hey, throw that thing up. Oh, he's doing it. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Hey, what kind of bike is that? It's a what? Crazy, bro. It's a Varg, Stark Varg, huh? Those kids are out there killing it. I see them out here killing it all the time, to be honest with you. That bro is the future of the stunt riding community. Well, I'm gonna go get some gas, go to the store, get some stuff, because I got this trip coming up in Utah. I'm thinking about bringing my small bike up there, man. It's like 20 degrees there right now, so I don't know exactly how much fun it'll be to ride up there, or even if you can. They've been getting a lot of snow up there, so I'm really debating, but Other than that, if you like the video, man, shoot it a thumbs up. It just like, it does so much for me. Every time you like the video, it shows the video to more people, and then, you know, maybe those people like the video, and then it just like kind of snowballs from there, and then, you know, next thing you know, we're sitting in a pretty good spot. And honestly, man, it just gives me the motivation to keep on going, keep on making video for you guys. If you don't like the video, man, just let me know in the comments. Just be like, Ethanol Addict, honestly, you suck. You should probably stop making videos, and I hope you crash. Just something along those lines would probably be acceptable. Anyways, guys, appreciate it. Peace out.